What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It is Small, and I'm back with another bi-weekly video. So this video is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising for the first half. Yeah, the first half of March. Hey, bossy. What's up with you, Virgo? Let's see. Dang, full of love. Who's got this card? I think Libra got this card. Could be dealing with a Libra. Full of hold up. Let's see. Okay. What? Virgo, marriage and unexpected money. Unexpected money. Okay. Full of love, marriage, and unexpected money. So something that you're really passionate about, something that you've committed yourself to, you're seeing unexpected money. Okay, just the love of money. Oh, startup. Okay, Virgo. And then bugaboo at the bottom of the deck. So something was annoying, could be annoying in the future, but what we focused on is this full of love, marriage, unexpected money, and startup. I love it. Okay, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising. What's up with full of love? Okay, Princess of Wands reversed. So definitely something you're passionate about. You may not be leading it right now, but I feel like you may be learning something. You may be learning something new. You may have a coach, you may have a trainer, you may have a teacher, a guide. Someone is guiding you in this thing that you're full of love for. But I love this card because it's like she's really passionate about something and she's conducting something, and it looks like music surrounding her, she look like she's full of love. You know what I'm saying? She looks like she's full of passion for something. But I don't see you leading it right now. Or if you are leading it, there's a higher level that you can get to, and I feel like that's what you're committing to. Like you're committing to whatever this thing is, and I feel like you're seeing new levels of it. Or maybe you are a student of something and now you're starting your own with startup. Like you're starting your own business, you're starting your own practice, you're starting your own, I don't know, YouTube page. Let's see. Okay, we have the Four of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles for marriage and unexpected money. So yeah, you're holding on to either the way that you're doing something or something that you're creating. She's creating something. The Queen of Pentacles, and the Queen of Pentacles is also like the perfect spouse. She's the spouse that can manage it all. Like she has a lot on her plate and she balances it all out, and you're able to see these things with Pentacles. And then with the Four of Pentacles, there's this holding on to something. So I feel like that's the commitment that's being made. Like there's a commitment being made to something being created and reaping those benefits, like seeing money. These are pentacles, these are money cards, like seeing money from these things. Then we have startup for Virgo. Nice. Okay, the sun. The fucking sun. Nice. So whatever you're starting up, whatever you've committed yourself to, whatever you're really passionate about, I'm loving this energy, Virgo. Like you're really happy about it. You're seeing everything you wanted and more from this thing. I want to pull more cards for you, but like goddamn. And then the Two of Cups reversed at the bottom of the deck for bugaboo. Well, actually, I'm gonna pull a card for bugaboo, but this is just reminding me of bugaboo, and I just feel like while you're focused on this energy, you could have people that you've cut off or that you let go or that you're not in communication with right now that may be feeling annoying to you, or you may be annoying them with this success, because why do you not? Like, Like, this is great. This is fucking great. But let's see. Let's pull a card for Bugaboo. Something is bugging you. Oh, not the whole deck. Bugaboo for what the fuck? Like, okay, we have whoa. So we have the Fool first of all, and then we have the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. So the Fool is about new beginnings and taking risks and taking chances and taking this leap of faith and going for these new things, these new endeavors. And then the Ten of Pentacles is reversed, first of all, and upright. It's stability, it's foundations, it's family, it's generational wealth, it's having your cake and eating it too, right? And then in reverse, not only is it not that, but I feel like there's this shaking of a foundation for me. There's this groundbreaking energy is what I'm feeling. And I feel that this new beginning, it may have shaken you up. You know what I'm saying? And maybe that's what kind of bothered you or annoyed you a little bit, or is annoying you. But I feel like you're so focused on everything else in front of you that this little sting, like this growing pain, I feel like this is growing pain. You're like, fuck it. like fuck it. Like this, I'm getting this money. Okay, and then nice, Princess, oh my God, Virgo, oh my God, I thought I lost your video because my shit cut, and I was like, fuck, but we're good, and we're back. So, bottom of the deck, Princess of Cups, so it's definitely about that artistic beauty, that creativity, that passion, that drive, that channeling of your emotions and all of your inner self into something, and that growing exponentially. Okay, so yeah, let's pull an oracle for you, and we're gonna call that a 2 weeks. Okay. I was actually thinking of doing these videos every week, because if I make them shorter, then it gives me more time. So we'll see. But I am happy for you, Virgo. I was about to be so upset if I lost this reading, because I was like, yo, this is the shit. Okay, like, I want this for you. This is the absolute fucking shit. Like, you got this. So let's see. Advice for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, first half of March. Virgo. Sun, oh shit, holy moly smoly. Okay. We have, what do you need to release? What do you need to let go of? And show the world the real you. Nice. Ooh, it's time to take action at the bottom of the deck. And I feel like you are. I feel like you are working on something. You're learning something. You're being taught something. You're teaching. You're like, I feel like you're on your path, Virgo. Whatever your path is for you, definitely release whatever it is that you don't want, and just be you. Be you. So that is what I have for you, Virgo. Until next time, make sure, skirt. Y'all know I'm still getting this shit together, okay? So if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and comment, okay? Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And until next time, you are truly legendary. I love you, and I will see you later.